How to create a business card in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a business card in Canva. So let's get into it. Now, Canva is popularly known for being able to create amazing presentation, build logos, and much more. However, a lot of people don't realize that Canva has so much more potential and you can really illustrate anything you want on Canva. Plus, it's super beginner friendly and you don't need to pay to sign up. Signing up is completely free and you can design for free as well. Plus, you also have multiple different features such as the AI features that have now been included where you can even generate your own images, logos, and much more. So let's get into building our business card on Canva. Now, business cards have really not changed in a very long time. They're practically following a similar template. So you can go into Canva and just create your account. Once you create your account, you're going to go into the search bar and search for business card. So if you search for business card over here, it will actually show you two types of business cards. You have a landscape one and then you have a portrait one. And these are the dimensions that are recommended. Now, you can totally choose a dimension of your own, and you can do that by clicking on custom size on the top right, and you can build your own customized size of business card. However, usually we are looking to build a landscape business card because I want to be able to print these out as well. And you can even build digital business cards where you include QR codes and much more. So in this, I am looking particularly at the landscape style, and there are so many different templates to pick out from. You guys can see you can really find anything you want. There are two-sided business cards. You have these simplistic or minimalistic business cards as well. You have these very standardized business cards that are pretty much, what the default idea in your mind is of a business card. It has those as well. So there are quite a few different templates that you can pick out from. Now I am going to go on ahead and take a simple template. I think I want to go with this one over here. This looks pretty nice. So I'm going to click on customize this template and I can get started. Now the best part about this is that I can use this as a really nice business card that is printable, and then I can also include QR codes in this. So now, my business name is called Durden, so I'm just going to type in Durden, and on the back, I'm just going to write the D at the back like this. And then I can change the colors by clicking on the background over here, and I'm going to change the document colors to maybe this purple-esque color. And now this is going to be like the back side or, the logo side of your business card, and then you have the other side where I'm going to customize the color once more. And then on the background of the entire page, maybe I want to include like a cream color. So I'm going to go on ahead and include that over here. Now, after that, I'm going to enter my name instead. So it's a business card for Jane Doe. And I'm just going to add owner of Durden like this. And then after that, I can include, my Instagram handles, my phone number, my addresses. So let's say our phone number is, we'll just add a random number over here. And then after that, I can add 45th Street at Maine like this. And then we can enter a city. Let's say we live in Chicago like that. And now we have added our information, so the business address as well as our business phone number. Now you can also include your site or store. So I'm going to add a link to my store. And then maybe I want to include Instagram handles. So for that, I am actually going to include logos. I'm going to add @com, and then I'm going to add @Durden. And maybe that's it. Like one is Instagram and one is our website. Now I'm going to move this to the right a little. And then I'm going to go into elements over here. And then I'm going to search for Instagram on the elements. Now, once I do that, I'm going to click on see all on graphics. And then I'm just going to take the Instagram logo and I'm going to resize it. Now you can take a black and white one if that fits your aesthetic a bit better. I think I'm going to go with the black and white one, because it would just look better with the overall appearance. And I'm just going to add that over here. I'm going to increase the size a little. So it looks good like this. And then I want to include the fact that this is a website. So I'm just going to search for website on the element section. And then I'm going to click on all, see all on the graphics section. And then I'm just going to take this icon over here, which is a website icon. And then I'm going to add that. Now I'm going to add some spacing in between these two because it looks a bit crowded, but I don't want an entire space. So you can go ahead and go into the line spacing over here and just increase your line spacing manually like this for your particular block. And this can just help you in making sure everything looks nice and neat, like so. I think I'm going to include a larger line spacing like this, and then we're just going to move everything like so. And just like that, we have an amazing printable business card ready. Now, this is just one example where we have started with a template. You can really build something of your own with these kinds of business cards. So if I was to show you guys another example where you might want to include a logo or QR code, you can just go into QR code generator over here, and then we have this particular QR code. So after that, you're just going to enter your QR code. I'm going to just search for Durden, like so. So let's say I just want a link to this. Now I'm going to paste my QR code over here, and there are two different ways you can do this. So if you want this to be a QR code that leads to the website, you can just go on ahead, and on the right you have your QR code already. Now you can download this, and then you can just sign up for free and include this QR code over here in your business card. Or if you want your entire business card to open up whenever people, open up the QR code, then you can just hyperlink your particular business card into the QR code. So it's totally up to you. For that, your business card would actually just be the QR code. And when people scan it, this would open up the actual business card. So it's totally up to you. Now I'm just going to open up the image that we have. So this is our QR code. And when people scan this, they would be led to our website. So just like that, we have an amazing printable QR code ready. And in this way, you can get started with an amazing business card using Canva. Now, these are only some of the basics of Canva. If you want to learn more, check out the other videos we have on building with Canva and how you can generate other things on Canva as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.